What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, to say I haven't wanted to do this for a long time is a lie. You know, I took my exhaust off to, you know, clean it. We'll say that. But I'm waiting so long to do this, and I cannot wait to hear it. So let's see what she sounds like. She sounds good. Let's get into a ride. Oh my God. Well, if you have one of these and you're like, man, this stock exhaust sucks, just take it off. Well, I can tell you from my Alpha T owner, the Yoshi to this is not much different at low RPMs, but higher RPMs, it's just a tad louder. You would think you'd take the exhaust off and it would be like crazy loud. I mean, of course, the pops are addicting now. Let's get next to this wall. Oh my God. Well, I like it. It sounds more jixery, if that's a word, I guess. I'm probably making significantly less horsepower. Of course, this bike is tuned, so I wouldn't recommend it if you're not tuned, or if you just don't care. If you're tuned and just want to be a little louder than, you know, the pipe you got, I'd say go for it. I'm probably going to keep it on there for a little bit and then get tired of it, but I definitely want to do full system, because I do like the look of it, like completely gone. Kind of left my mom at a red light, so we'll give you all a little. Yeah, that's like loud. Good God. Probably gonna have the cops called on me. I'll tell you what, it wouldn't be the first time. I think I might have found a sweet spot for these pops. Can't believe this bike has 6,600 miles. Insane. And it's been a fun 6,600 miles. I don't think you're going to find as much enjoyment on something in this class as this one. Like right here, 60 mile an hour, 6th gear, I kind of hear a little bit of a drone more than I would. I wouldn't have this as like a permanent exhaust. If you're kind of in between and just like, I just want to hear it, which I get, I was the same way. But if you feel up to it and want your bike to sound like this, I do it. I'm going to throw a flyby clip. I just think it sounds insane. So much better than stock, and honestly with the Alpha T. Just let my camera roll for a little bit. Get some POV footage. So you can hear this thing. Well, if you guys liked the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stick around if you're new. And we'll be seeing you on the flip side. Peace.